Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now is a spiritual guidebook emphasizing the importance of living in the present moment. Tolle argues that much of human suffering stems from an over-identification with the mind, particularly our thoughts and the ego. He suggests that true peace and enlightenment come from detaching from the mind's constant chatter and anchoring oneself in the now. By living fully in the present moment, people can transcend pain, anxiety, and negativity. Tolle explains that the mind often focuses on past regrets or future worries, which causes suffering. He teaches that the now is all that truly exists, and when we focus on the present moment, we can access a deeper level of consciousness. The book blends mindfulness, psychology, and spirituality to help readers cultivate awareness, inner peace, and a greater sense of being. These are the 10 key learnings and insights from this book. Number 1. Living in the present. The most important concept is to focus on the present moment. The past and future are only constructs of the mind, and only the now truly exists. When you live in the now, you free yourself from the burdens of time-bound thinking. Number 2. Ego and mind identification. Tolle explains that the ego is a false sense of self created by identification with thoughts. When we over-identify with the mind and its stories, we lose touch with our true selves. The key to peace is recognizing and observing this egoic thinking without attaching to it. Number 3. The pain body. He introduces the concept of the pain body, an accumulation of old emotional pain. The pain body thrives on negative thinking and unconscious emotional reactions. Becoming aware of the pain body's influence can prevent it from dominating your life. Number 4. The power of awareness. Awareness or presence is the state of simply observing without judgment. When you become aware of your thoughts and emotions without reacting, you can separate yourself from the mind's control. This awareness brings freedom and clarity. Number 5. Surrender to the present. Tolle speaks of the importance of surrendering to what is. Acceptance does not mean passivity, but acknowledging reality as it is without resistance. Resistance to the present moment causes suffering, while surrender brings peace. Number 6. The illusion of time. Time is a mental construct. Tolle advises people to think less about the future and the past and more about what they're doing now. Anxiety and stress often come from overthinking future scenarios or regretting the past. Number 7. The observer role. He encourages readers to cultivate the ability to step back and become observers of their thoughts and emotions. This practice helps them disidentify from the mind and realize a deeper consciousness beyond thought. Number 8. Freedom from thought. True freedom comes when you realize you are not your thoughts. Tolle encourages moments of stillness and mindfulness to experience gaps in thinking where pure awareness can be felt. These gaps create space for peace and clarity. Number 9. Acceptance and non-resistance. Life is filled with situations that are beyond our control. By practicing acceptance and non-resistance, we allow life to unfold naturally, without unnecessary suffering caused by trying to change or resist what is. And lastly, Number 10. Connecting with inner stillness. Tolle emphasizes connecting with the inner stillness that exists within each person. This stillness is found in the gaps between thoughts and can be accessed through meditation, mindfulness, and simply being present. Integrating these insights allows you to cultivate a more profound sense of peace, reduce suffering, and experience a more authentic, fulfilling life. Tolle's teachings are practical yet profoundly spiritual, offering a path toward enlightenment and inner transformation. That's all for today's video, and I hope you took notes on the insights. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more inspiring book summaries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.